Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we can use about the complex number in here. So we know that cosine s we can change into e to the power of is plus e to the power of negative is over number 2. And the next one that is about sine s, we need to transform into e to the power of is minus e to the power of negative is over 2i. Now, in this situation, I will put this one plus minus I, and we have the integration of this one. So, if we transform into the complex number from this one, go this one in here, there should be about e to the power of is squared plus e to the power of negative is squared over number 2. And this one we transform into this one. So we have like this. Now, we have 8 and 8. We simplified. So, this one minus this one we cancel. This one minus negative of this one. Negative sign here. So we simplify this one and we have the integration from 0 to the positive infinity. E to the power of negative is squared. Now, for the next one, we can use about integration by substitution. I will put about t equals to is squared. Later that we divide both sides by 8. Next, we put the square root for the both sides. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we have number 0 cone here, and we put number 0 cone here. So we have t equals to number 0. When s approaches to positive infinity, so t will go to positive infinity in here. So the bound does not change anything. We keep the same the bounds. is where we change by t. ds we change by this one. So number 1 over number 2 with the square root of 8 we put outside. This one we change by t to the power of negative 1 over 2. And we know that that is about 1 over 2 minus number 1. So we know that the integration of this one, we have gamma of 1 over 2. And we know that gamma of 1 over 2, that is about the square root of b. So we can put like this. And we know that this one we can transform into 1 over the square root of number 2 minus I multiplied by 1 over the square root of number 2. Now we can distribute this one going here, and we can put like this. Now we go back in here. So after we have this one equals to this one, we can see that the value of this integration equals to this one, and the last one equals to this one. And now we can write the answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.